it's ready for the sealer, paint, and clear coat. But here's the bumper cap. What's going on YouTube? So in this video I'm going to be trying out some new LEDs that I got from Amazon, and they are the ones that go right here on the door panel on the side right here. And here we have them. This is going to be for the driver's side, and they are clear. So I got them clear, and there are LEDs built in inside of them, so we're going to see how that looks. But before we install them, I'm going to show you guys my Escalade door handles. This is how they turned out. This looks pretty clean. And I'm also show you how I'm doing with my color matching on the plastics. So everything's primered already. It's ready for the sealer, paint, and clear coat. But here's the bumper cap. We got the lower valance right here. And here we got the rear bumper steps, the last two pieces that I'm gonna be painting. And here's the HD grill. This is how she's looking. And I did buy a new billet grill, so we're gonna be installing that once it arrives. This is the rear middle piece bumper. And here we got the air deflector right here. So yeah, I just gotta get those last four pieces painted. And I don't know if I should paint this side mirror everything green or keep it the way it is, which is black. So y'all let me know down in the comments, because I was just gonna paint the cap green, but I don't know, I just don't like the way it looks. One more thing, I did buy some new LED bulbs. We got the SO2 Pros from Dow Dynamics. This line just recently came out, and as well as the LS Plus from Last Fit. So we're gonna be comparing them. I'm gonna see which ones I return and which ones I keep. So the installation is pretty easy. All you gotta do is just take out your housing right here, just tap it out, pry it out, and it should come off that quick. You're just gonna lift this corner piece up so that thing that's holding it in place can come out. So just pull it up and it should slide out, and you're gonna be left with this. So these do have the left and right. So we got the left right here for the driver, and you just plug it back in. It's a plug and play. That, and then just put it back on and you're done. And just do the same to all four doors, and this is how they look during the day. Them bitches pretty bright. And I'll be back once it's nighttime to show you guys how it looks like at night. So it's nighttime, and this is how it looks during the day. That's just one door. Now that's with all four doors open. That bitch is bright. But that's it for today, YouTube. Hopefully you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more.